Live your life within the moment.
Wow!
And don't go wait until the morning.
Parang
You'll
field trip
never
mo
know
eh, no?
when
Tapos
it
ako
is
yung banda.
over.
Yep.
Griffin? Griffin?
Jake, Griffin, the guy's so nice. They named him twice.
So that us let's decide a way.
Kulit nung lalagyan eh. Fresh McCarthy. You could drive in. Kasi siya parang outside. Parang patio. Parang
Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter.
Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, wow, if you're new everyone is new here. If you're new here, my name is Kat, this is Paul, and we're FC Fam. Today, we're still in LA, and we're gonna go to Griffith Observatory, at saka magka-quick stop kami dun sa Walk of Fame. Silipin lang namin ulit kung ano meron kasi we have time to kill bago yung tour namin sa Griffith Observatory. So, yun lang, kakatapos lang ng work namin, kaya hapon na kami nakakagala for this week. So, yun yung eksena namin. Okay, so if you are interested in this content, please keep on watching.
Cover your eyes, promise not to look, 'cause I got some good news for you. Unexpected surprise, now you're on the hook. Guess what, I booked a ticket for two. I feel stressed and depressed, I feel stuck in a route. It's time we get a brand new start. So get dressed, pack your bags, feel the holiday mood. You won't believe what we're about to do.
That's a really quick but fun experience. Hindi ko alam na karton lang pala siya. Akala ko may isang ginawa na blank. Parang
Ano lang talaga sila.
Hindi pala. Anyway, mabilis lang siya na ano. Gusto ko lang ma-experience ba. We're walking sa ano ngayon, sa ang tawag dito?
Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Hollywood Walk of Fame. So, yun yung mga stars.
Baka nandun yung premiere.
Meron daw premiere night ngayon ng isang movie dito. So, baka daw may makita kaming artista. Asa pa naman. Pero actually, may blockage nga, oh. Check natin. Ito yung pinaka-very touristy place sa LA. Parang feeling ko, walang taga dito ang naglalakad-lakad masyado dito. Si Rachel McAdams, Mario Lopez, Bill Cosby,
Send Help.
Jennifer
World
Garner.
premiere. Ayan.
World premiere na.
Rachel McAdams.
Oh.
Sakto si Rachel McAdams.
So, premiere night ng Send Help. Si Rachel McAdams and si Dylan O'Brien.
Disneyland. Ay, may sariling star yung Disneyland. Ayun.
Saan?
Ayun. Ghirardelli, oh.
Wow, Ghirardelli chocolates. Gusto mo bumili ng chocolate?
Wala, meron silang pack. Ayan, pick and mix.
Sige, ikaw, pili ka. Sige, bili tayo. $19 off to. Anong flavors ba meron sila?
Yung blue,
They
yun
have
yung milk
intense
chocolate.
dark, intense dark, intense dark, chocolate raspberry, milk
Caramel.
chocolate caramel, dark chocolate mint, dark
Sea
chocolate sea salt, milk chocolate mint, white chocolate sugar cookie, milk chocolate sea salt,
Wait.
white chocolate caramel, and milk chocolate. But if you're gonna buy na plain ng milk, ano ba yung mga iba? Kasi mas mura yung mga set eh, kaysa kung magkukustom ka. Eventually, unless may mga specific lang tayong gusto. May mga Disney, ano sila oh. They have Disney merch here.
Ito, 22.
Hollywood
Denny's.
Disney. $35. Ang kulit eh.
25 off.
Hollywood merchandise. Meron din palang ganito ang Disney. God guys, sobrang sarap nito. Isa lang yung binili namin kasi namamahalan kami. Akala namin slushy siya, ay ano, parang drink.
Buti na lang
Ano
din.
siya? Siksik siya sa ice cream.
Buti na lang isa lang binili namin. Kasi parang kaya nitong, parang mga 5 scoops to ng ice cream na 6. You know? We're not even halfway
Sarap.
through.
Ang sarap. Pero sobrang sarap. Like, hindi namin in-expect na ano siya. Bongga siya. Tapos may mga buong strawberry sa loob. Tapos parang yung chocolate niya, nagbe-blend so well dun sa ice cream at saka dun sa strawberry. Mahal siya, pero worth it naman pala. Try niya.
Meron ding ganito sa ano di ba? Sa San Francisco na punta tayo. May para din sila.
Malakas silang sign ng Gerard Daily.
Kasi doon naman sila talaga original.
Lagi natin nadadaanan, pero like ngayon, ba natin?
Yung nakaraan, no?
Wow! Nice. Hi guys, we're now here at Griffith Observatory. Oh, lamig.
It's,
Ano ba ngayon? Sabi mo kanina 15.
15 kanina.
Eh nga, sa taas tayo, so malamang mga 10 na lang.
17.
Ay, lamig.
17 degrees.
Ayun na kami sa
Oh, the
Griffith.
Hollywood signs over there.
Okay, tara punta tayo doon. Ang aga namin, mga 40 minutes pa bago yung tour namin. So, antayin pa namin yung tour guide namin. Tingin-tingin muna kami ngayon. Medyo ano ngayon medyo foggy yung way. Medyo foggy, so hindi masyadong kita yung Hollywood sign from here. Meron malamig talaga, besh. Nung nakaraan, dito tayo banda lang, no? Parang dinala tayo dito ni Mamay. Tapos, parang umikot lang tayo. Parang hindi nga rin yata siya nag-park na. Naalala ko eh. Oh. First time namin pupunta dito. Kasi nung nakaraan, sarado. Kasi napunta tayo dun, 2020 tayo napunta nun eh. COVID yun eh, oh. So, sarado. And this is where we are. Ang meeting place dito sa Monument eh. Excite na naman siya, guys. Nakakuha siya ng activity booklet. Para na naman akong bantay. Parang field trip mo eh, no? Tapos ako yung bantay. Ano? Sige, go. May reward ba yan pag natapos? Pag nasagot mo? The reward of knowledge. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes, that's true. And very hot yung blue, tapos very cool yung red. Invested na naman siya, guys. Para lang, this is like magic passport all over again. Matapos, may star siya, guys. Yours, very good. Excellent. Si bata lang ata yung kumukuha niya. May goal lang.
Hindi, oh.
Oh, sige, punta ka na dun sa kabila. Dali, ando yung telescope.
Welcome to sunny California, by the way.
That's so sunny.
Alrighty, guys. So, this right here
You were looking at this and I were wondering what this is.
What do you think it is?
Pendulum.
It is a pendulum.
Yeah, it looks like a pendulum, but like we're wondering what that is.
So yeah, a lot of people think some kind of clock, but actually what this is telling us something fundamental about the Earth a lot of us have taken for granted. What this is telling us is actually that the Earth is indeed rotating. People didn't really realize the Earth was rotating until 400 years ago, and it took another 250 years for them to realize, actually have evidence that the Earth is in fact rotating. So how this works, essentially it uses Isaac Newton's first law of motion. So when we pull this back and back, going, let it go, it just wants to go. back and forth, back and forth. That's Isaac Newton's first law of motion. It states
Yeah.
once something starts going in a certain direction, a certain speed, the object wants to maintain that direction in that speed unless something stops it. So when we pull things back and it go, again, it just wants to go back and forth, back and forth. But slowly, if you guys were here for a few minutes, you would notice that this pendulum is slowly knocking down one of those
Yeah.
pegs.
Yeah.
One at a time. Yeah, so just have
Oh, really?
Libra, Capricorn, Taurus.
I haven't noticed that.
The Greek Titan Atlas. A little bit about our founder. You can see
Who
I'm
is
not
it?
lying
Oh,
here.
Cardinal
His name-
Griffith.
His name is, yeah. he's our
Griffith?
founder.
Griffith?
Griffith J. Griffith. The guy's so nice, they named him twice. They near exact duplicate of the telescope that Galileo Galilei would have used to observe the night sky for the very first time. The real one is, of course, in the Museo Galilei in Florence, Italy. It's not a very sophisticated device, just a couple of lenses wrapped up in a paper tube. No more powerful than a modern pair of binoculars today. It was a device just like this for the first time in human history. Alright guys, welcome to our lovely view of the city of Los Angeles. One thing people notice about the city of Los Angeles is that, well, we're pretty spread out. Can you tell me, because for like the longest time, Los Angeles buildings were kept to a certain height limit, no higher than like 10, 12 stories high. Can you just tell me why here in Los Angeles and California in general, for a long time, up to the 1960s, why buildings were kept so short for a long time? Any guesses?
Air traffic.
No, air traffic.
Oh, just so the view is not.
You know what? That's partially correct, actually. I used to actually believe it was because of earthquakes. That's partially the reason, but a big part of it was back in the 1920s when they were trying to figure out what Los Angeles was going to be. They looked like to cities like New York and Chicago. And
Yeah,
tall
yeah.
buildings made
Oh,
them feel,
yeah.
like,
Come to think of it, I just
claustrophobic,
realized
right?
it now. Why is that?
Yeah, so people, that's because they're trying to, occupy as much space. Like they can have as many tenants all stacked up on
Yeah.
the floor.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of money
Yeah.
to make up this fact. But people came to Los Angeles and California for the weather, for the sunshine, and they didn't want it, like the city to be obstructed by super tall buildings. So they made sure that buildings were only up to a certain height. Actually, our City Hall, at one point, was the tallest building in the West California for a long time. That was only like again 12 stories high. But then and that's why LA spread
Is that
out.
still LA?
This is all LA. Everything here is LA.
That building, the tall ones in there?
Everything you see in front of you is Los Angeles.
So that's like the maximum already, like those tall
And actually,
buildings.
back in the 1950s, when they spread out this way, they realized, all right, we're out of space, we need to start building upward. So they lifted up that mandate. There's allowed to be a
Ah, so like much farther.
Exactly.
Ah,
So
okay.
they allowed there to be a skyliner downtown.
Because I was wondering why are they allowed,
Oh,
but
yeah,
these
so
ones are.
eventually- So after 1960s, they're allowed to go up higher. Have you guys heard of the famous 50s heartthrob James Dean?
Yes,
Well, if you
of
guys were here
course.
70 years ago, we've seen right just down here, right here, a fight scene. That's James Dean, the white t-shirt right there. I
You
consider him to
capture
be the
that.
Timothy Chalamet of 1955. Now we'll talk more about him in a sec. Oh, by the way, no skyline yet because the mandate had not yet been
yeah,
lifted.
yeah.
We'll talk more about him in a second. Let's make our way towards the roof, shall we?
Okay, let's do it.
These guys have been up here.
Oh,
Right? The Transformers. They came here to have a private conversation, which I always thought was kind of weird because no one's having a private conversation up here. Not only that, if you guys are sticking with robots, if you guys are a fan of the film Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger's buck-naked body first comes to the future, 1984, right around the corner right there. Looks across the front lawn, throws Bill Paxton to a bus stop. R.I.P. And of course, technically not Griffith Observatory, but Griffith Observatory is modeled after
Still
Griffith
counts, still
Observatory.
counts, okay.
And this is their very first kiss up here with Nelson Muntz. If you guys are a fan of Adele, she performed her Netflix special right on our front
really?
lawn right here. If you guys are a
When
fan
was
of,
this?
this is a couple years ago.
Oh, TV special with
Yeah.
Oprah. Okay.
How many cities do you think are in Los Angeles County? Any guesses?
10,
Not 10, a little more.
20,
A little more.
24?
right.
That's too much.
There are 88 cities.
Oh, whoa,
in
it
County.
is.
So like, especially if you look at the map, especially if you're like,
I can't.
50 kilometers in that direction, 50 kilometers in that direction, that is all Los Angeles County.
Oh my god,
So
like
people
some
are-
of them I might have never heard of probably.
Oh yeah, you probably never heard of like Roland Heights or
Yeah.
Diamond Bar or
Yeah.
West Covina or Lancaster.
Is
or Clamath.
Calabasas part of
No, Calabasas. Yes, actually, Calabasas is. I was thinking more of I was thinking Carlsbad, but yes, Calabasas, where the Kardashians live, and it's part of Los Angeles County as well.
Yeah,
so
I didn't
it's
know that.
pretty big actually. So again, you can go 50 kilometers in that direction, you're still in LA. Actually, no, I'm sorry, 80 kilometers in that direction, still LA County. 80 kilometers in that direction, LA County. And as far as you can, I see this is LA County right here, guys. So it's pretty dang big. All right, guys, let's wrap up inside.
I bet. Hi guys, kakatapos lang ng planetarium show. How do you find the show?
It was actually fun. Tsaka nag-enjoy talaga ako. Nakakatuwa yung
Informative siya.
Oo.
Pero sa totoo lang, medyo natakot ako.
Creepy.
Oo, yung parang,
Kasi madilim.
hindi, very realistic
Oo,
kasi.
kasi-
Very realistic nung pala, ang ganda ng presentation nila. It's very, very realistic na nung nag-supernova, natakot talaga ako. Kasi, dito, parang totoo. Tapos like, ang galing nung parang very close up siya. So, ang ganda. Yun yung, that's the only thing that's paid dito sa planetarium. Honestly, I didn't know that Griffith Observatory is free. Akala ko may bayad siya. Kasi nakuha lang namin to via Klook. Nag-book kami via yung Klook Los Angeles, yung parang pipili ka ng mga attractions. So, akala ko may entrance ticket dito sa Griffith. Turns out, free pala siya. Yung binayaran namin is yung paid tour and
Tapos yung show.
the planetarium show. Pero you can actually go here kahit hindi ka mag-tour. Kasi pwede ka naman mag-explore on your own. So, libre lang siya. So, yung binayaran namin is yung private tour basically. So,
Private tour with rap.
ang bilis-bilis magsalita ng tour guide namin.
Tinalo niya si Glock 9.
Nahirapan ako masyado.
So, here-
Nahirapan ako intindihin siya ng very light. Pero it was very informative naman kahit papano. So anyway, tapos na kami dito. We're gonna go have dinner. Magde-decide muna kami kung saan bago kami lumabas kasi sobrang lamig.
Di naman.
Malamig kaya nga pa, hindi ako makatagal sa labas, sobrang ginaw. Nasa taas kasi tayo eh. So anyway, decide muna kami kung saan kami magdi-dinner, okay? Catch you guys later. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Tesla Diner. So this is where we decided to have dinner. It's just a couple of steps away sa Airbnb namin. Malapit lang siya. So ito yung recommend ng Airbnb host namin na dito kami kumain. Kasi it's a tourist spot. In a way. Para siyang para siyang futuristic dome. Tingnan niyo. So ayan siya. Ayan. So, cool ng exterior niya. So, basically, itong diner na to, parang intended siya na kainan sa mga nagcha-charge ng Tesla cars outside. Kasi parang parking siya ng may mga Tesla chargers sa labas. So, parang yung mga nagcha-charge doon, kakain mo na dito. Parang ganun
Tsaka
yung
nag-order sila sa nila.
sa car?
Yung parang nila.
So ngayon, hintay namin yung order namin. Mamaya tingnan natin yung ano kaya tsura ng baso? Bumili kami ng parang souvenir cup eh. So I wonder what it looks like. So anyway, buti na lang walang masyadong tao. Normally daw mahaba yung pila dito kapag oras ng kainan. So like, in-expect ko na maraming tao kasi dinner time na ngayon. It's around 7:30. So, buti na lang walang tao. So, nakaupo kami ng maayos at walang issue. Mamaya siguro ikutin natin yung mga display nila. Although wala naman masyado, pero fancy.
Ang galing yung CR nila. Parang
Ay, talaga.
parang mga spaceship.
Pwede ko i-vlog yung CR nila. Skypad. Yung para ng CR nila, Skypad. Cool. Sige, tayo lang namin yung food namin, guys. Ito yung Tesla na souvenir baso niya. Souvenir cup. Ano siya? It's a metal cup. Wow! Ang kulit nung lalagyan eh. Tesla car din eh. So yung box nila, Tesla cars din. Okay.
Okay na?
Ito na yung burger, guys. Ito yung kay Paul. Ano yan? Chicken burger?
Chicken burger.
And we got cheese fries.
Do you want anything else?
Okay. Kain tayo.
Kasi it's a drive-in.
It's a drive-in.
So we should have stayed here.
Lamigi.
Oh.
Oh. So parang you can watch movie here habang kumakain ka. Ito siya, parang outside, parang patio, parang na pwede kang kumain. Ayan siya. Kung walang tao. Which is good. Dalawang screen nila. Ito at saka yung kabila.
Eh kasi
palabas to?
ano,
Yun sa baba, yung mga Tesla cars na nagcha-charge. Yun yung box natin, oh. Yun yun eh.
Yung
Anong
Cybertruck.
sasakyan ba yan?
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Yun yung pickup truck nila na hindi mo kang pickup.
Ah. Fancy. Tapos libre lang mag-charge dyan.
Ay, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Pero may bayad yan.
Bili
Pero
tayong
malay mo,
Tesla.
libre.
Meron charger sa tapat natin, di ba?
Oo.
Bili tayong Tesla.
Next ano natin, Tesla na tayo. May 7-seater naman yung Tesla eh.
Oo, di pa kala mo maliit siya, yung
Oo.
sedan, tapos 7-seater.
Hindi siya sedan actually. Yun yung
Parang-
SUV nila.
Oo, pero
Mukha
like
lang
mukhang sedan.
Nothing there.
So wala nang ganap dito. Ano yun? Ang daming kainan dito sa labas.
Oo.
Ayun no, for big groups. Yun lang. Outdoor kainan lang pala to. Kala ko naman may ganap. Okay. Halamig! Hindi ko na-expect na ganito kalamig. Parang alam kong colder ang January, pero hindi ko na-expect na it's really...
Medyo malamig ngayon. Nagsusnow nga may snow sa Florida. Ay, sa Texas ba yun?
Florida?
Ay.
Sure ka?
Ay, meron.
Ito yung mga pastries pala nila. Oh. Tara. Para siyang spaceship, guys. Naglalakad na kami pa uwi. It's 4 minutes away lang from the Tesla diner. So, lakad na lang namin. Dito ka natatapusan ng today's vlog. Quick afternoon trip. Sana nalibang kayo kahit paano. Anyway, if you enjoy this content, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!